Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all having a great day. We're going to go ahead and start our live today. And today we are going to make some really easy signs. So it's going to be super, super easy. And this will probably be one of the shortest lives yet. So this is basically what we're making. I understand it's backwards for you guys. So all you need is love. So this is my example one. This isn't exactly what we'll be making today, but it's totally the same concept and you will totally be able to do this yourself. Okay, so look how beautiful that is. You can put that anywhere, right? And so I believe this is a 5x7 shape. Okay, so what we start out with is these signs, and we've used these before in a couple of other crafts. So these are the little picture holders from the dollar store. So this is a hard plastic, right? All right, so obviously we won't be needing this, so we'll just slide that out and get rid of it. Okay, and then we take off the plastic film. Okay, so super, super easy. This is just prepping stuff to get started, right? So we took off that film. Make sure you do take it off, okay? And then what I did for this one, okay, was I got this actually at the dollar store. So what it is the, what they call the wall creations, the wall decals. Okay, so that was just right here, and so it was a smaller piece. Okay, so that was right there. Just instead of putting it on the wall, we're putting it on this, right? So super, super, super easy. All right, so the one that I got for the bigger sign today, okay, is this one. So they have lots of different ones. You just go and check out what wall decals they have. And, you know, you can even go grab these and see which ones will fit before you leave the store to make sure that you're getting it to fit. So this is what we're going to put on this bigger one today. All right, make sure you guys can see it. And so the only thing that you guys have to be really careful about is that it seems like once it sticks, it kind of doesn't want to come off this plastic. So you want to be very careful when you apply it. All right, so I'm just going to do this. Make sure you don't rip it, you know. Being careful. Okay. Nice and simple. Put right about where we want to get it. And I have it just about 1 centimeter off to just hold it tight, make sure I'm getting it where I want it. All right, and so that's it. We got that one on, okay? And then I had the second one. And luckily they are separate ones. I was worried I might have to cut them because obviously this one wasn't big enough to have it straight across, you know? All right, and we're just gonna add that to the bottom. See, I got it stuck. Oh, it doesn't, it's actually not too bad. All right. All right. So it says, hello, sunshine. All right. And so to help fill it in a bit, all right, for this one, I literally just used construction paper. What we're going to use for this one, I found some flashy board I had. So once more from the dollar store. And I'm actually going to go with the yellow for hello, sunshine. I thought it was more appropriate. Look at how bright and vibrant that is. All right, so either you can use this to kind of trace out, but it often leaves where you need to trim it a little bit. So the other idea I had was actually taking the picture that was previously in it and use that as your kind of like a stencil. So just line it up really good in the corner, grab your pencil. Got a pencil on hand. Of course, I got the rip corner on the edge, and we're just gonna trace it out and then cut it out and then put it in behind, and we'll be just about done. All right, and if you guys happen to have, like, I do have a cutter with for making cards, because I make some Christmas cards and stuff like that. And so if you have one of those cutters, you know, that'll be a lot easier. It'll be more perfectly straight. But luckily, there's a lot of like curves on the picture frame itself. And so it actually kind of hides the imperfections. So you can totally just use scissors and get away with it, as long as it's not too big, too far off. And if you trace it out, then you shouldn't really have a problem with it. All right, so like we said, it's just a picture frame, so you just slide it in behind. All right. Hello, sunshine. And you can definitely add on some things. I was thinking of grabbing the glue gun and maybe adding on a flower or a different color one. You know, and like if I took a little more time to do this, I'd probably move them down just a little bit. As you see, they're a little bit high. So make sure you maybe like I didn't cut them out. So maybe cut them out separately so you can like lay it out just so you can kind of see exactly what you want before you put it in. All right, and then to get the little borders, like just the cute little borders that I did there, it was super duper easy. Let me see where my paper is. Oh, here we go. So I just grabbed a paper and I folded it in half so then it would be the same. Make sure those lines are adding up, are equal to each other. So then they come out exactly the same. So I just have that. I'm just gonna cut off the corner and then they'll be exactly the same. Okay. And then all I did, so I got my 2 triangles, okay, and I just slid it in. With this one, it's quite a bit thicker, so you'd probably have to take the paper out, glue it on, and then carefully slide it back in. But what I did with the little one was I was able to just get it tight enough that it was able to just hold itself there. So we get a little frame. See, it kind of wants to slide there. And then in the bottom, okay. So that's it. That's how super easy this is. And then you have your own sign. So you just go pick it, individualize it with your colors. All right. And just so you guys can see, I even cut out a nice pink one. And it's just that easy. You just switch out the color. You put it in a different room, need a different color, and you're good. All right, super, super easy. So I hope you guys enjoy doing this live. If you guys end up doing it, I would love to see what words you pick out or pictures you pick out as your decals and what colors you have to go with it. Maybe even what room you put it in so then it goes with everything. I would love to see that. I always love hearing back from you guys what you guys do with it. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful Tuesday and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.